To get a sense of how fast the outbreak is moving, look no further than this. A building site in Wuhan that authorities say will be a 1,000-bed facility for coronavirus patients by next Monday. The number of cases in China jumped today, not necessarily because the outbreak is getting worse, but because of the time it takes for tests to be carried out and the fact it can take many days for infected people to start showing symptoms.
The longer the incubation period, the harder it is to actually pick up individuals who are affected and stopping those routes of transmission. You're not going to pick up if they have a temperature when they arrive in a country. It's only going to manifest a few days later or a week later, and so it makes it harder to actually pick up individuals who are ill, and so you're requiring on them to self-report.
The new strain of coronavirus first appeared in Wuhan, which was locked down on Thursday. This evening, that measure was extended to at least 12 other cities across Hubei province, home to 36 million people. There are around 800 confirmed patients across China, with cases also appearing in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, and the United States. Today, tests carried out here by Public Health England have all come back negative for the 14 people in the UK screened for the virus so far. But already they're testing more.
We think that there's a fair chance we may get some cases over time. Of course, this depends on whether this continues for a long time or whether this turns out to be something which is brought under control relatively quickly by the considerable efforts of the Chinese government. But I think we should definitely see this as a marathon, not a sprint.
There was an event marking Chinese New Year in Downing Street today. Travel ties with China will, of course, be the main route for the virus coming into Britain. But China says it's doing all it can to prevent spread.
The Chinese government is very much determined to curb this virus. You know, President Xi already has ordered to take lots of measures to get control of it.
We don't yet know whether China acted fast enough to contain the worst of the outbreak, but with the world now on high alert, there's hope new cases might be caught before they spread too far.